6 in the morning, sun's rising.
We are just getting up and it's almost 7. We have to head into town to get some more liquid nails, and we have a list going of like insulation, things we need to get for our next projects. So we're gonna get coffee, and get started. So you're watching American Roots. Today is day 2 of working on the wall. We had to go into town and get more liquid nails so I could finish. We are well within our realm of getting this done today. It was a good thing that I didn't finish though, because as he was looking on where the wood stove pipe was gonna go, he realized that the thimble comes down a little bit further. So we're gonna have to cut out some of the hardy board, and then I'm gonna tile around that. So I have a box of like scrap tiles that I've saved, so that way I can like piece in where I need to. And then I've noticed like everywhere that I put wedges in, I'm gonna pull all of those out, and then I can go in with the mortar and fill in the cracks and make sure everything is all one piece. So he's gotten the piece drawn where the thimble's gonna go, and he's gonna cut out for the pipe, and we are rocking and rolling. It is coming along very nicely. I really am pleased with the look.
Doing some work,
Yep,
finishing it up.
absolutely.
Looks great.
Thank you.
So the no butter method, lightly buttered.
Yeah, just enough to get it to, You got your rubber mallet.
Yeah. Didn't dry fit it yesterday.
Well,
Seems
with
like we kind of There you go. You can try that, but I think it'd be better if you just cut a piece off.
cut what off?
That to fit
It
in
just
there.
needs to tap in there.
Uh-huh.
Hold on. Hold it. I'm at the point where I need him to cut out the thimble, or at least know where it's gonna go. And then I'm gonna come in and tile up around that. So I'm gonna clean up the area, let him come in and do his final fitting before he makes his cut, and we'll go from there.
Because I got a stud here and here. We're cutting right in between them.
Nice.
Okay?
Good job.
And that's the center of this circle.
And you think the electrical is all wired at the bottom?
There wasn't any in here. And they've got all the
Going up and
conduit
over.
ran. but
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm just cutting wood, so.
Okay.
Your wall looks great. You did a fabulous job.
Thanks.
Let's see how this works.
Much better. Nope. I think it's good. All right, next is the cut. Woo!
Alright, wish me luck.
Good luck. You're gonna do fine. This is exciting.
Let's see if my thimble fits in there.
Ooh, good call. Dry fit.
Yep. Goot and tight. Yeah, that's perfect.
Nice.
I think so.
It's gonna look great.
Yep.
I like it. Good job.
Is it crooked? Oh, there.
No, once you seat it in it. There you go. Nice. Oh, I love it. Nice. Good job.
Yep. Right on stead, too. It's another order.
Awesome. Very nice. Excellent job.
You gonna work?
Yes. I think it looks great. This is exciting. This is the first hole cut into the building. This is the outside. So we're gonna cut into this. He did a great job. And this will be very easy to come in and tile around. He'll put the thimble in there. We'll be ready to pipe it in. Yay! It's gonna be like 27 tonight, so I'm looking forward to a wood stove.
This is going on the back side. Yeah, I'm hitting right at the top. But it's gonna fit gloriously to make a circle. What do you think? Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Got a pencil?
We have a window. Welcome home.
Thanks.
Hard day at work?
think it's gonna fit.
I'd really prefer you have gloves on. Looks great on this side.
Good, it looks great on this side. Just gonna screw it in so that the bottom is good.
Okay, it's not flush. It's flush up here and not down here. So, and there's like rings on the.
All right, let's see. Hang on, let me put one in.
That was a very lengthy process just to put that in, but I mean, you are cutting a hole in the side of your building. Beautiful. Very nice. Like my edge. Very nice. Looks gorgeous. I am so pleased with that. It's just really turning out beautiful. I have one more piece, the square there, and then make the cut. And I am almost done. All I have to do is grout it or whatever I'm gonna do to finish it off, but it's gonna be finished right about the time he gets this done. It is coming along nicely. I love checking things off to-do lists. And there you have it. I've got it all tiled. I'm gonna let it set and dry. And we can put the stove in. Yay!
Got to figure out the piping for the wood stove. Fits good. Good and tight. See, screws, collars, caulk. I can straighten it all out. Probably put a level on it. Here and here. But I just gotta get my drill and drill it out. Getting dark. Gotta get a level on it. There's Jess inside. And I got another section to put on top of it. Not sure if I could reach it. And it's a little bent. So I'll fix it.
Super exciting. He's been working on getting it done. It's what time?
6.
Like almost maybe 7 even. We had to go get a piece of strapping for the chimney to attach to the roof. He got everything all sealed in with silicone. And it's 8. A little bit later. But we're ready.
Give it a shot.
We're ready for our first fire in the tiny house.
So far, it doesn't seem like smoke's coming out.
Good job.
I hope.
Good job. Very nice. It's so satisfying seeing smoke come out of your own chimney.